Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. It's me.
Why do you have behind your arm? That's a knife. That's a knife.
You shouldn't have done that!
I'm dead. I'm
Fucking
prone.
hurt!
Oh, that's a screwdriver. Hey man, I got an axe now. I'm gonna show you what it does. Is it shit? No, 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 no. Get that shit out. Get that shit out.
Let's see how you feel.
Where's your adrenaline? Get that shit out. What? Okay, so our wife's a crackhead and we need to go.
Must contain.
Tis but discretion. I'm pretty sure vitamin gummies will take care of that.
Must burn it all down.
Run. Huh. Yeah, she ran. The scared cat. Huh. Well, hey there, little buddy. Can I get you back? Ah. I was kidding, but apparently I can.